And today I am here for presentation. And my topic for presentation is cybersecurity. First of all, we discuss introduction of cybersecurity. The internet in world is growing rapidly. It has given rise to new opportunities in every field. We can think of being entertainment, business, sport, or education. There are two sides of a coin. Internet has also has its own disadvantages. Cybercrime, illegal activity committed on the internet. Defining cybercrime. Crime committed using a computer and internet to steal data or information. Illegal import, malicious program. Cybercrime includes single actors or groups targeting system for financial gain or to cause disruption. After this, we see history of cybercrime. The first recorded cybercrime took place in the year 1820. The person involved was Joseph Mare. Categories of cybercrime. The computer as a target, the computer as a weapon. Types of cybercrime: hacking, in which person do illegal activities to gain information; denial of service attack; virus dissemination; computer vandalism; cyber terrorism; software piracy. In software piracy, the cybercrime. After this, we see prevention of cybercrime. Use strong password. Use different user ID password combination for different accounts and avoid writing them down. Make the password more complicated by combining letters, numbers, special characters, minimum 10 characters in total, and change them on a regular basis. Secure your mobile devices. Be aware that your mobile devices is and vulnerable to viruses and hackers. Download application from trusted sources. Do not download application for untrusted sources. Install the latest operating system updates. Keep your application and operating system, for example, Windows, Mac, Linux, current with the latest system updates. Turn on automatic update to prevent potential attack on older software. Secure your computer. Active your firewall. Firewalls are the first line of cyber defense. They block connection to unknown or buggy sites and will keep out some type of viruses and hackers. Use antivirus software. Prevent viruses from infecting your computer by installing and regular updating antivirus software. Protect your e-identity. Be cautious when giving out personal information such as your name, address, phone number, or financial information on internet. Make sure that websites are secured when making online purchases, or that you have enabled privacy setting when accessing using social networking site. Block spyware attacks. Prevent spyware from infiltrating your computer by installing and update anti-spyware software. Security. After this, we discuss security of cybercrime. Security. What is security? Internet security is a branch of computer security specifically related to what is security? Security is a branch of computer security specifically related to the internet. Its objective is to establish rules and measures to use against attacks over the internet. Network security. What is network security? Network security is the practice of securing a computer network from whether targeted attackers or opportunistic malware. Application security. Application security focuses on keeping software and device free of threats. A compromised application could provide access to the data. It's designed to protect. Successful security begins in the design stage. well before a program or device is developed. After this, we see operational security. Operational security includes the processes and decisions for handling and protecting data sets. The permissions user have when accessing a network and the procedures that determine how and where data may be stored or shared all fall under this umbrella. Conclusion. Technology is destructive only in the hands of people who do not realize that they are one and same process as the universe. Here my topic for presentation is complete. Thank you.